Now this little camera might be the easiest way to add security to your house. It's magnetic. You literally put it on with a sticker and it goes on any window. I'm gonna break it down. We'll give it a review. I'll show you how to install it. Super easy. Put a sticker on the window. I'll show you how to download the app, which you probably know how to do that. But yeah, let's go. Let's get it going. All right, so we got to pick a spot, and you're gonna need some glass cleaner. This window looks right in front of my front door, so seems like the perfect spot to spy on people. Just gotta let it dry. All right, now that we got the window nice and streak-free clean, as I just streak it up, you have all sorts of magnet choices. You can use the angle, so you can angle it that way, down, up, whatever you want. Or just a sticker. Little guy, big guy. I'm gonna go little guy. And we'll just place it where we want the camera. So you got your sticker. Pretty simple. Boom. Now we just need to plug it in. Alright, I will say one negative. It doesn't come with a power block. But we're just going to connect the USB-C. There. Put the normal USB in. Plug her in. Hit the reset button. Let's go. Now we got to hook it up to the app. I'll put it on the little screen recording. We'll get the app. We'll see what it does. We'll check out the picture. Maybe it'll keep beeping. Who knows? We'll figure it out. Alright, so I already have the out input app for the bird feeder. So let's add a device. Window camera. Power's on. Flashing over there. Let's connect to my Wi-Fi. You don't get the password. Well, that was a total failure. I couldn't remember my Wi-Fi password, but once you put your Wi-Fi password in, you get right to the camera. And let's check it out. I'll show you some of the images. This is at like, I don't know, dusk, as you can see. You can record. Here. It's got motion detectors, sound detection. It has a siren you could turn on. Zoom in and out. You could peep them people close up. Tons of options. You put an SD card in there, you can save them too. Great little camera, perfect for renters, somebody who can't install a permanent camera. Throw it in your cart. I'll put the link in the description. And with that, job done.